Good afternoon, everyone. We've come to the monkey park today. Let's go and see what it's like. It's €10 to get in, and it's, I don't know, 20 minutes drive from where we're staying. Got a bit of rain today, but it's still nice and warm still.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Well, even look at that taxi driver, nearly ran me over. Apparently there's a crocodile on here. I can't see one.
No, he might be sitting there sunbathing.
Who? Probably under the bridge. Says there's a crocodile in there. What is it?
Oh, the baby one, see, the black.
Oh yeah.
It's there.
Oh, in there.
Yeah.
Are they crocodiles or turtles? No, they're turtles, I think. The turtle eggs.
Oh yeah. What a crocodile.
He's chilling out somewhere, isn't he?
Oh yeah.
There's a big crocodile in there.
He's probably inside.
Be under the bridge, chilling out. But then there wouldn't be turtles in the same pond as crocodiles.
There, look, they're birdie.
Yeah, that's on the way out, I think. They're not going to have crocodile in the same pond as turtles. They'd eat them, wouldn't it? Guinea pigs and that in there, look, loads of them. No monkeys in there, it's guinea pigs. I don't know if that's the feed here or the monkeys.
I look at that, they said they allow, isn't it? But don't touch.
Oh, they are, they're feeding it.
Yeah. Little baby one here.
Is it? Oh my god! It's little, isn't it?
We still shooting.
This one wants to eat the camera each time, right?
Oop. You mix it up. Look at this one. So hungry, this one.
See little babies at the back. Look, baby, look.
Oh, I see. That's so cute. Oh, careful my finger. Don't eat my. Oh,
I can contain my
okay.
Oh, she's up my finger. You grunted at you. Oh, I want to go. I want to go. Mal, you filming?
Yeah.
So just hold it flat.
Yeah, because they're so soft.
Oh, yeah, my hair.
A lot of guinea pigs, isn't there?
I like these, don't I?
There's loads more in here. Breed like rats. Breed like rats. Iguana.
Iguana.
Another one at the back.
Iguana. Iguana. Iguana.
Iguana, babe.
Ginga.
Yeah, decent. A few hundred years old it is. A few hundred years old it is.
I'm surprised they do nothing, do they? Do nothing. That's why I live so long. Just sit there.
This is a real one.
Touch him, see if it moves.
It jump. Let's see if it jumps on you.
Estaba apuñalando.
I know, mate. I'm trying to...
I'm getting one.
They're funny looking things, aren't they?
Yeah.
They got Mohicans, these ones.
What are they called?
They got Mohicans.
I think they've got through the bars.
I think I get the first one from there.
Yeah, big parrots at the top. See? See these big parrots at the top, mate? 3 ones? Two more in here, yeah.
He eats it and then he puts it down. Then he finishes his dinner and then he picks it back up and eats it. Look, look.
Yeah. See a little tiny one over there?
Oh yeah.
You see it?
I know parrots. Oh. These are funny faces. Funny old faces.
There was a lot more out there.
What's on there?
What are you talking about, Mick?
Hey?
Is it talking pred talk, is it? Is it talking pred language?
They talk back to me. Oh, talk to me.
It's talking pred language. Those are little parrots and stuff, aren't they?
Loads of them.
Oh, look at these ones.
She want a parrot now. What is that? Oh, she looks on her phone. Looking at the parrots all the time.
Oh, this is ones with the Mohicans again, babe. Funny Mohicans.
She's in her heaven.
Morning.
What?
Galahs, these are. Galahs. Flaming galahs.
Classy.
Hannah, they got a wild pred over here. Yeah, it's got to have its cage. This monkey's got to have its
I'm
cage.
staying there for the night.
Yeah, you stay there.
No?
You stay there.
Little poster there tells you.
Oh, lower pat. Great ass parrot.
Great ass parrot. Great Vasa parrot.
Quite monkey, isn't it?
Mm.
The yellow one. Quite good. I don't like finding places where all the sunlight is.
Dan word je niet bequem hier erop met shots. Dan kan je wel op mami's arm en kuschel een beetje.
This one family.
Read, baby, read. I cannot go that far. You come to me. Read. And I take a little bit. See? You know what I mean? They don't like the big one. They like the... Read.
That, I've never seen that. That's weird.
Yeah?
They don't like the big chunks.
You want some?
It's huge.
Ah, read. Oh.
Look at him scrubbing. That's like Kylie is.
Missed you. You had to miss.
Shut it with that, eh, you idiot?
They
got
don't
a
like
big
the big
bit.
one.
He
See,
does
they
the
like
big bit.
chickpea. You like chickpea, don't you? Yeah, tick, 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 tick.
That's what you're
Like
giving.
that. Yeah, tick, 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 tick. Chickpea.
That's what you're giving.
No, he's going to break it out.
I like it. Don't eat it.
Yeah.
The ladies were having fun feeding the monkeys. They're big ones, them ones. I like them monkeys. We're going to go up here and look around. It's not bad for €10. I think the rain's put a few people off, so it's not busy. It is busy, but it's not really busy, which we quite like.
So stand up, sit it, stand up.
think we found Eli's favourite monkey. At least it's not a BRID anymore. Is it Eli?
Yes.
Oh, he's there. There he is.
You got a pool table as well.
Alright, honey, I'm going to get you out.
Gone. Come on, grab it. Minute ago we have like 4 or 5 there for to grab
Oh,
it.
did you?
Yeah. One more?
Yeah, beres. Very good.
They're looking for the little one. Come on. The big one, they don't want it.
Right.
This is Boss Man, and when every time one goes to get one, they all look at him first.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You try and feed this one. You,
Got no
you
food
watch
left.
and look.
Got no food left.
My food
Look, give
finished.
thanks to that one.
Watch.
They panic. Look. Look.
The heart of history, brotherly love. These city streets, Philly's always stepping up. All American, a point of pride. Original capital, we keep the dream alive. In these Philly nights, running underneath the lights, a hometown high. Come on, take a ride. Watch these stars fly by. In these Philly nights, culture on every street, ready for anything. The heart of history, it ain't a mystery. A point of pride, we keep the dream alive as we fly through Philly nights. Philly nights, Philly nights.
If you were nice about it.
¿Qué quieres que le tire? Mira, Carolina, tíralo con fuerza. Desde aquí.
Mate, go on, put it on your shoulder. isn't it then? Hannah wants to buy a parrot and take it with her. Is that worth 10 euros? Yeah, that's worth 10 euros. There's a lot in it. There's a lot of monkeys and guinea pigs and a lot of birds in here. They have to feed them somehow, don't they? But yeah, worth a visit. Recommend it. I'll put a Google Map link in the description.
Yeah, no, there's a tortoise in the water.
Yeah, what's he going to eat there?
Lunchtime.